True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid, guys. So today I wanna give you a tour of one place I'm calling Pondside in St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, see it? See the sign there? You are entering Pondside. Yeah man, so if you go the other direction, you gotta go hilltop. So let's take a tour of this area. Yeah man, so big up anyone I watch from, they can big up yourself. One love, one heart. Yeah man, big up yourself. So today it's March 5th, 1:06 p.m. in the St. Elizabeth area. Yeah, can have a look at the road condition. Road can look a bit bad, but it still leads to some nice areas in St. Elizabeth, guys. So thank you all for watching. Look at the beautiful sky. So when you're in the Pondside area, it's very close to Hilltop, can take you back to the Parati side, can take you back to Greenfield, Williamsfield, all those areas. Lots of people know there is a pan in this area. Don't remember the pan name? Yeah man, so some people that say it's a great pan, some people say it roll like a thunder at times. So anybody have any information about this, they can leave it in the comment section and let me know what's going on. Take my time and go through. Yeah man, big up all the fans them. Big up yourself, Mr. Brooks, big up yourself, Marcia. Big up yourself, yeah man. Big up yourself, Philip. Anyone of them that can big up yourself, one love, one heart. Over them cow up on the road, say cow up on price, man. So we have to be careful with these cow on the road. So I'm very close to the Pondside, I think it's the Pondside Primary School. Yeah man, careful move like he's sick, like he can get drunk with some form of macature or something. Hey. So this is the Pondside Primary School, Black River PO, St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, so this are the take a tour over the primary school so I go now. I will say, wow, yeah man, see all the school top come off. Wow, wow, wow. Wonder how the kids them are take it in school. Yeah. Yeah. I know say school have to go on same way, you know? Come off. Wow, wow, wow. Wonder how the kids them are take it in school. Yeah. Yeah. I know say school have to go on same way, you know? Yes, people, so we made the right turn. Oh, come like JPS come back through this area, so then put up some light pole and stuff in this area. Yeah man, so a lot of things are going for the Pondside here. That's a good look for all the Pondside people them. I can see say JPS come around so like current background of the area, you know? The ones so power pan house, man. So Pondside let them get back current, you know? So guys, thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.